This is a brief video demonstrating how to do the Krushcal-Wallis test in SPSS. Krushcal-Wallis does not assume that you have the normal distribution, and it deals with variables. We have more than two sets of variables, but it does still assume that there is homogeneity of variance. Okay, so those are things you have to bear in mind when deciding whether or not to use this test. Now, it deals with group data, and we've already got some here for pay and groups. So what I need to do is to go into Analyze, drop down to Non-Parametric, saying it's not the normal distribution, so it's non-parametric. Come down to Legacy Dialogues, come across and go down this time to K Independent Samples and click on that. Then we've got to find the variables we actually want to put in there. So we're going to put in pay into our test variable, and obviously groups into grouping. Now it's asking me to define the group range. Now we've got three groups, so we're going to put it between 1 and 3, and then click continue. And then we do want the Krushcal-Wallis, so that's fine. We'd ignore the other checkboxes, click OK, and we get a set of results. Now the ones we're really interested in are down here. Now, if we were using this, we would have set a null hypothesis and an alternative hypothesis. Now, the null hypothesis would have been that there's no difference between mean ranks. And if the result we had got, as this assumes that we're dealing with 95% confidence, if the result had been less than 0.05, we would have rejected the null hypothesis. But as it's greater than 0.05, we accept the null hypothesis. And that's it.